I'm Akhere Chuta, a resource person and also an entrepreneur. I decided to teach people how to make homemade sanitizers, just in case they can't reach any sanitizers, because we know that at this critical time sanitizers are needed and it's of high demand. So I decided to come up with this teaching to make a homemade hand sanitizer. So I'm going to go straight to the production stage and I'll need you to follow me closely. Thank you very much. At this production stage, we have our different chemicals that will be needed for a homemade hand sanitizer. First of all, we have this, which is called the carboxyl thickener, shortly pronounced as carbopol. We have this for our handmade sanitizer. Then also we have our perfume, which is optional. Then we have our IPA 75 ml. Then we have our methanol 200 ml. We have our water, which is 100 ml. Then we have our TA. TA, get it, is a liquid extracted from the TA tree. We have this, and we're going to be using just 2 cups of this. Then we have our glycerin, just a cup of glycerin, just to make your sanitizer to glitter. All these materials are what you need to make your homemade hand sanitizer. So we're going straight to the production of it. You're going to get a bowl, a deep bowl, so that when you're turning, it doesn't splash out. Then you have your turning stick, a clean turning stick, to give you a neat, substance when you're through. So first of all, I'm going to get my water. My water, 100 ml water. I'm going to pour it right into the bowl. Then I'm going to get my abbreviated name now, carbopol. I'm going to get it. It's 50 grams of carbopol. I'm going to scatter it into my water and I'm going to stir vigorously. I'm going to stir it vigorously so that it must loosen up into the water. It must not congeal. Every particle of the carbopol must loosen up into the water. So you find out that you're going to stir for a little period of time. I'm trying to dissolve every particle inside the water. You must not see any particle in your. I'm done with my stirring. And next I'm going to get my TA. My TA, I told you, is an extract from the TA tree. I'm just going to use the cup in my measurement. This is 1 and this is 2. See your methanol, 200 ml of methanol. Gradually you put and you stir. As you put in, it's loosening up. It's loosening up. 200 ml. We're going to use it all. Remember, the homemade hand sanitizer is going to come out in a gel form, not a liquid form. Keep on stirring. We're taking our IPA. Our IPA is 35 ml. You put gradually and stir. Making 75% alcoholic base hand sanitizer. The combination of your IPA and your methanol will give you a 75% alcohol base hand sanitizer gel. We don't want our gel to be too thick. We just want it loosened up. You can see the gel-like sanitizer. The next, we're going to put our perfume. Perfume to some people is optional, but I love having perfume in my gel to give it that beautiful fragrance. Just a cup. I'm going to add my glycerin, just a cup. Glycerin just to make your gel, glitter. That's the hand sanitizer being made. It's jelly. All we need to do is to put in a container where you can easily use, or put in your handbag, or put in any corner of your house, or give out to somebody. So I'm going to fill this container with my gel. All I need to do is to use my filler. Test it out. Alcoholic hand sanitizer. Smells good. 75% alcohol,